Hello, welcome to my channel, and for my subscribers, welcome back. I received a request in the comments of my last barbecue sauce video for my spicy barbecue sauce recipe. So that's what this video will be about. It will be fairly brief, and we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to start off with my 3-quart size saucepan by adding 15 ounces of tomato sauce. And we're going to pour that into the pot. We're going to set that aside. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. Now I understand blackstrap molasses is hard to find, so you can substitute this for unsulfured molasses. Just know that it may make the sauce a little bit sweeter. All right, so we're adding that last tablespoon in there. And once we're done, we're going to set that aside. And now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And next we're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. All right, there we go. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar as well. Now we're going to give these items a stir until they're all combined. And once they're all combined, we're going to set the whisk aside. And we're going to add our seasonings. And you'll see all of the seasonings that I use as well as the measurements on the screen. So we're just going to dump that into the pot right now, like so. We're going to set the bowl aside once we're done adding it. And we're going to stir the seasonings into the sauce until they're combined. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is set the whisk aside, and I'm going to heat the saucepan on high heat until the sauce is boiling. And it should take about 5 minutes to do so. And now that the sauce is boiling, we're going to give it a quick stir. And for this sauce, because we didn't add as much liquid, we're not going to be adding a cornstarch slurry this time. All right, so now that we've stirred it to loosen it up a bit as it thickens some, we're going to reduce the heat to a medium-low, and we're going to allow this to simmer on a low boil for 15 to 20 minutes while stirring frequently. And after 15 to 20 minutes have passed, we're going to check the sauce to confirm it has reached the desired thickness. If it hasn't, you can continue to allow it to simmer for additional time until it reaches your desired thickness. In this case, it has reached my desired thickness, so I will be removing the sauce from the heat. And then what I'm doing is I'm adding the sauce to a mason jar for storage. And you notice I'm using the funnel as well. This is to avoid a big mess while transferring the sauce into the jar. And we're just going to, we'll go around that funnel to get every little bit of sauce out of there into the jar. And you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks as well. And I'm just putting the top on the lid. I'm going to close that. I would recommend allowing the sauce to cool slightly before storing it, but you can also serve it immediately as well after preparation. And there you have it. This sauce, when you serve it at the cookout, I promise you it's going to give your guests a real kick. They may even start sweating bullets after eating it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see more of this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.